Cancer, the emperor of all maladies, has plagued humanity for centuries. Our understanding of this disease has evolved dramatically. We have moved from crude, imprecise treatments to targeted therapies. Today we stand on the cusp of a new era. This is the era of personalized cancer care. Imagine a world where cancer treatment is tailored to each individual. This is the promise of personalized cancer vaccines. These vaccines are not preventative like traditional vaccines. Instead, they are designed to treat existing cancers. They work by harnessing the power of the patient's own immune system. This approach represents a paradigm shift in cancer treatment. We are moving away from one-size-fits-all approaches. Instead, we are embracing the unique characteristics of each patient's tumor. This personalized approach offers new hope for a future free from the fear of cancer. The journey to this new frontier has been long and arduous. Scientists have toiled for decades to unravel the complexities of the immune system. Now, their efforts are bearing fruit. Personalized cancer vaccines are emerging as a powerful weapon in our fight against this devastating disease. Personalized cancer vaccines are at the forefront of immunotherapy. They leverage the body's natural defenses to fight cancer. These vaccines are not your typical vaccines. They do not prevent disease. Instead, they train the immune system to recognize and destroy existing cancer cells. The creation of these vaccines begins with the patient's tumor. Scientists analyze the tumor's genetic makeup. They identify unique mutations called neoantigens. These neoantigens act as flags, distinguishing cancer cells from healthy cells. These neoantigens are then used to create a personalized vaccine. The vaccine is administered to the patient, often in combination with other therapies. The vaccine acts as a training program for the immune system. It teaches the body's defenses to recognize and attack cells bearing these specific neoantigens. This personalized approach is a far cry from traditional cancer treatments. Chemotherapy and radiation, while effective, often harm healthy cells. Personalized vaccines offer a more targeted approach. They focus the immune system's firepower solely on the cancerous cells. Personalized cancer vaccines work by stimulating the immune system. They introduce the body's defenses to the unique neoantigens present in the patient's tumor. This triggers a cascade of events leading to the destruction of cancer cells. The vaccine containing the neoantigens is introduced into the body. Immune cells, known as dendritic cells, capture these neoantigens. These dendritic cells then present the neoantigens to other immune cells, specifically T cells. T cells are the body's soldiers, trained to recognize and eliminate threats. The dendritic cells, by presenting the neoantigens, effectively train the T cells to recognize the cancer cells as enemies. Armed with this new knowledge, the T cells launch a targeted attack on the tumor. This process is akin to teaching a dog to track a specific scent. The vaccine provides the scent of the cancer cells. The immune system, like a well-trained hound, then seeks out and eliminates the cells bearing that scent. The potential of personalized cancer vaccines is no longer theoretical. Recent clinical trials have shown remarkable promise. These trials have demonstrated the ability of these vaccines to shrink tumors and extend survival in patients with various cancers. In one groundbreaking trial, personalized vaccines were tested in patients with melanoma, a deadly form of skin cancer. The results were striking. The vaccines, combined with other therapies, led to significant tumor regression in a majority of patients. Similar trials are underway for a wide range of cancers, including lung cancer, breast cancer, and leukemia. While these trials are still in early stages, the initial results are encouraging. They suggest that personalized vaccines could become a standard weapon in our arsenal against cancer. The success of these trials has ignited excitement within the scientific community. Researchers are optimistic that personalized vaccines will revolutionize cancer care. We are on the verge of a new era where treatment is tailored to the individual, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Section 5, A Future Free from Fear. The advent of personalized cancer vaccines offers a glimpse into a future free from the fear of cancer. Imagine a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence. Instead, it becomes a chronic illness, manageable with personalized vaccines. This future is within our grasp. As research progresses and technology advances, personalized vaccines will become more sophisticated and effective. We will be able to target cancers with unprecedented precision, sparing healthy cells and improving patient outcomes. This new era of personalized care will transform the landscape of oncology. We will move away from the one-size-fits-all approach of traditional treatments. Instead, we will embrace the individuality of each patient's cancer, tailoring treatment to their specific needs. This shift towards personalization will empower patients. They will no longer be passive recipients of care. Instead, they will become active participants in their own treatment, working alongside their doctors to develop the most effective strategies. Section 6. Challenges on the horizon. Despite the immense promise of personalized cancer vaccines, several challenges lie ahead. These challenges must be addressed to fully realize the potential of this revolutionary technology. One major challenge is the complexity of the manufacturing process. Creating personalized vaccines requires sophisticated technology and expertise. Each vaccine is unique, tailored to the individual patient's tumor. This complexity can make production time-consuming and expensive. Another challenge is the identification of optimal neoantigens. Not all mutations within a tumor are equally effective targets for the immune system. Researchers are developing sophisticated algorithms to identify the most immunogenic neoantigens, ensuring the vaccine elicits a robust immune response. Furthermore, the long-term effectiveness of personalized vaccines remains to be fully understood. While initial trials have shown promising results, more research is needed to determine the durability of the immune response and the potential for cancer recurrence. Section 7. Broadening access and affordability. Ensuring broad access and affordability is crucial for the widespread adoption of personalized cancer vaccines. The high cost of development and manufacturing currently limits access to this life-saving technology. Efforts are underway to streamline the manufacturing process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. Researchers are exploring new technologies and platforms to reduce production time and expense. Furthermore, initiatives are being implemented to improve access for patients in underserved communities. This includes establishing partnerships with healthcare providers and advocacy groups to ensure equitable distribution of this groundbreaking therapy. Reducing the financial burden on patients is paramount. Innovative financing models and insurance coverage policies are being developed to make personalized vaccines accessible to all who need them. Section 8. A beacon of hope for cancer patients. Personalized cancer vaccines represent a beacon of hope for cancer patients worldwide. They offer a new weapon in our fight against this devastating disease, one that harnesses the power of the body's own defenses. The journey to this new frontier has been long and challenging, but the dedication of scientists, clinicians, and patients has paved the way for this revolutionary technology. We are now witnessing the dawn of a new era in cancer care, one where treatment is tailored to the individual, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. The future holds immense promise. As research progresses and technology advances, personalized vaccines will become more sophisticated and accessible. We are on the cusp of a paradigm shift in oncology, one that offers new hope for a future free from the fear of cancer.